Morning, Christians, brothers and sisters in Christ. This is Kamala. There are no coincidences in God's world. We know that now. Last year, we had started as a hurricane, became a major storm, LUCIFER, that impacted Southern California. Then we had heat wave LUCIFER. We now have Hurricane Michael coming. Yeah, this is Hurricane Michael that may hit Florida. I'm showing this image of it because it almost looks like it has wings. So, like I said, God does nothing for coincidence. Last year we had Lucifer, I think it was twice, with the heat wave and then the hurricane earlier in the year that became a tropical storm. And this year we have Michael, who we know in the end times will stand up and fight against Satan and his army for the saints.